Looksmaxxing, an ever-popular trend that promises to elevate your physical appearance and transform your confidence. But what happens when it doesn't work? What if you're putting in all the effort and still feeling like it's not enough? If you found yourself feeling frustrated, you're not alone. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, I'm going to reveal the surprising truth about why your looksmaxing journey might not be paying off and what you can do about it. One of the biggest reasons people fail at looksmaxing is simple, unrealistic expectations. In a world dominated by social media, we're bombarded with flawless, filtered images of people who look like they've mastered every aspect of their appearance. But the truth is, these images are often far from reality. The result? You set goals for yourself that are almost impossible to reach. Looksmaxing should be about personal improvement, not about becoming an unrealistic version of someone else. Another key reason you may have failed at looksmaxing is the lack of patience and consistency. Let's face it, real, lasting change takes time. Whether it's hitting the gym, fixing your skincare routine, or developing better style, it's not going to happen overnight. If you start, stop, and get frustrated quickly, you're sabotaging your own progress. Every journey has setbacks, but giving up too soon ensures you never see the results you're aiming for. Looksmaxing often focuses on external changes, better grooming, sharper style, a leaner body. And while these are important, the truth is, real confidence and attractiveness come from the inside out. You can max out your physical looks, but if you haven't worked on your mindset, self-worth, or social skills, all those efforts will fall flat. Confidence is contagious, and no amount of grooming can replace that inner glow. Another reason people struggle is that they follow generic looksmaxing advice that isn't tailored to their individual needs. What works for one person won't necessarily work for another. Skin type, body shape, hair texture, all of these things require a customized approach. Don't just copy what you see online. Do the research, experiment, and discover what enhances your unique features. So why did you fail at looksmaxing? Unrealistic expectations, impatience, ignoring inner growth, and not customizing your plan. These are the reasons. But the good news is, now you know the problem, you can change your approach. Looksmaxing isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Remember, real improvement takes time. Focus on your journey, not just the destination. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own looksmaxing story in the comments below. We're all in this together.